What is up, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to cook chicken and pork pipian, a dish that you can only find in the city of Vigan in Ilocos Sur, Philippines. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started with the tutorial, and please don't forget to have fun in the kitchen. Chicken pipian trace its roots back to the Manila, Acapulco galleon trade from 1565 to 1815. Alright guys, let me introduce our ingredients. First, we got kamyas, and it's imported from the Philippines. And also onions, garlic. And next is the Epazote plant. The Epazote plant is a flowering herb native to Mexico, Central America, and South America. And I also found out that the ancient Aztecs used Epazote both medicinally and as a culinary herb. The taste is strong as well, slightly bitter with hints of lemon, and is often compared to cilantro as both as acquired tastes. We also need annatto powder, sinigang mix, patis, and also ginger. Alright guys, so the goal is to remove the leaves from the stem, just like that. Alright, we are now done with the veggies. Now let's cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Alright guys, let's now prepare the pork. Let's cut it into bite-sized pieces. Alright, now we are going to saute the pork, the ginger, the garlic, and the onions together, just like that. We are going to extract the flavors. Alright guys, we are now going to put the fish sauce next. And we're gonna cook it up some more. Now we are going to incorporate the taste of the fish sauce to the pork. Alright guys, now we're going to put the chicken next. Alright guys, we're going to put about 2 tablespoons of ground black pepper. Alright, this is optional, but I'm going to put half a pack of the sinigang mix. Alright guys, next step, we are now going to put water. We're going to put just enough so that the whole thing gets covered. And we are going to bring it into a boil and then simmer it. Alright guys, next step, we're now going to toast and brown the rice. Let the rice cool off. Put it on the side for about 10 minutes while we wait for our chicken and pork to boil. Alright guys, we are now going to mix the rice and the annatto powder together. And we're going to blend it up. Alright guys, we are now going to mix our toasted annatto rice into our pot. Alright guys, it's now time to put the kamyas. And let's give it a mix. Alright guys, and for the final step, we are now going to put the Epazote plant. Alright, we're just going to give it a little mix, and in 2 minutes, our chicken and pork pipian is ready to eat and to serve. Alright guys, that is it for today. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to get updated with my latest videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!